Hi, my name is Amanda Strickler, and I'm originally from Colony, Kansas. It's a small town in southeast Kansas in Anderson County. I graduated from a 1A high school with a class size of 23, many of us going all the way from grade school to high school together. Upon graduating high school, I continued my education and my volleyball career at Bethel College in North Newton. After playing 2 seasons at Bethel, I realized Bethel was not the place for me. My home was at Kansas State University. Uh, I've always been a diehard fan, and they had my passion for agriculture lied at Kansas State University. So I transferred there and continued my volleyball career to the club team and had the best undergrad experience ever, where I ended up graduating in 2015 with my bachelor's in agriculture education and a minor in animal science. I recently got engaged this past summer, and I am hoping that our plans are still a go with this new pandemic that we're facing in 2020. A little bit about me is I currently teach at USD 257 Iowa High School, and I teach agriculture education. I came home about 3 years ago, as Iowa is only about 12 minutes away from my hometown, so I am home now. I continue my volleyball passion and love as I am the head coach at Iowa High School, and I love agriculture. This is a picture of my very old show heifer, and she's still in my herd today, and as you can see, she's more of a dog than a cow. Some more things about me that I like to do. I love to travel. This past summer, I also went to the Bahamas and loved it. This picture looks like a poster picture, but I actually took that. And then I love hanging out with my friends, traveling, riding side by sides or ATVs. We have a little group that does that. And then I just love the great outdoors. Here I'm atop of my horseback, and sometimes there's just no place like home. So my personal goals in the next 1 to 5 years, and the first one I put is get married. And yes, I am currently engaged, but like I said before, I'm hoping that we don't have to postpone or replan our wedding plans for this late July wedding. Finish my master's, and I would like to start a family. In 6 to 10 years, my goal is to start building a house. We have the place where eventually we will move to and build a house, but right now that's just not in the cards. And then have at least 30 head of cattle of my own. I currently have about 10, but I'm looking to expand, and in order to expand, I need more land. 10 years and beyond, again with my cattle operation, hoping to expand. I continue to have a job that I love. I currently love my job and have a passion for it, and I hope that does not die out. And then travel to at least 8 new states. My goal is to currently hit all 50 states, and right now I've traveled to more states than my age, so as long as I keep that up, I should hit my goal before 50. My professional goals include, in the next 1 to 5 years, to apply what I've learned in my master's courses into my curriculum, make it actually real world applicable, not just doing it to get it done. To become more involved with the staff I work with. I'm in my own building, and I really actually love it. It keeps you out of all the things you don't want to be in. But I do want to become more of a building leader within, and to do that, I need to interact more with the staff of the entire school, and again, to obtain my master's in administration. In years 6 to 10, I would like to have a leadership role within Kansas agriculture education. There's lots of opportunities out there, and believe it or not, I'm in my 5th year, and sometimes in Kansas Ag Ed, you're considered experienced than the old guy. So in 6 to 10 more years, I'll be really seasoned in the Ag Ed world, and I feel like I would be up to that challenge then. And with also in that time span, I would like to obtain my first administration job. I'm not necessarily interested in right off the gate, but I mean, if it presented itself, I might take that opportunity. And then 10 years and beyond, I would like to be serving as a building principal in a small rural district. Stay updated in practices and continue to love the job that I do. That's my big thing. I don't want a job to seem like a job. And then retire when I'm still in my good years and can go out strong. I don't want to be one of those who are like, geez, I should have retired 10 years ago. Why did I choose Fort Hays State University? Couple reasons. Fort Hays State was a university in Kansas, and I really did want to stay within our great state. Fort Hays is also agriculturally based, and that's my passion and my roots, so I wanted to support that. I could obtain my master's all online, considering I'm about 5.5 hours away from Fort Hays State. The drive would just not be realistic for me. It was affordable, and Fort Hays State has a good reputation. My expectations for getting my master's degree within Fort Hays State University is to provide quality instruction, which so far I believe that I am getting that. To prepare me to become a building leader, whether that's through administration or just in my regular agriculture education teaching job right now, and to provide the material and knowledge learned to help prepare me to become a building principal, so that when I eventually do take that job, I know and have feel like I know what I'm doing and have a grasp, and not being like, oh no, where do I start? So, again, my name is Amanda Strickler.